chickie, and she wouldn't lay an egg. So I poured hot water up and down her leg. Oh, my little chickie cried, and my little chickie begged. Gosh darn chickie laid a hard-boiled egg. Bump, bum, ba, bum, bump. Some chick.
Dad, can we go on one of those trails that you mentioned?
Sure.
Yes. Careful, so these sticks are making us steep and slippery.
Yeah, that's right. Boy, the times I have fallen the worst, though, in the woods was stepping on a stick and having my foot slide. Like that!
What happened?
I stepped on a stick and my foot slid right. Oh, it wasn't even a stick, it was a root. So I stepped right here and my foot just went sideways, just whook, like that.
You slipped and fell right into
I slipped and fell right there. Unfortunately, it was ferns to land on and not rocks. Because you kids would have had to carry me out. Carry your dear old dad out of the woods. It's pretty?
Stream, but the track continues. Trail
Yeah.
continues.
Yeah, do you want to go further?
Sure.
Okay.
Wonder where it comes from.
Yeah.
Okay, since I first saw.
It comes from up the hillside, and I'm pretty sure it goes under the road through a culvert.
Huh. Wait, through a what? Culvert.
One of those pipes they put under the road. Whoa, that is slippery. I stepped on that rock. I thought
right there.
Yeah. Whoa, that's slippery too.
Yeah, less slippery than the other one. There.
All right, we're on stable ground again.
Good. Ooh, a slug. Look at that big slug.
Yummy.
That slug. Ew.
Too bad we already ate our hot dogs. Oh, what other songs we got? Oh, you had some other verses.
Yeah. I had a little chickie and she wouldn't lay an egg, so I poured hot chocolate up and down her leg. Oh, my little chickie cried and my little chickie begged. Gosh darn chickie laid an Easter egg. Dun, 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 dun. Some chick.
Did you make a trail, or was there one here already? Ask a silly question, get a silly answer.
Gross! I almost stepped in it.
Oh.
Mistaking it for rocks.
You know what kind that is?
Deer poop.
A little bigger.
Coyote poop.
Bigger.
Bobcat poop.
Bigger.
Dragon poop.
I'm not sure how big a dragon is.
Gigantic. I'd say dragon poops are about twice the size of your head.
Oh, wow.
Maybe more.
I don't know if that was dragon poop, but it looked a lot like elk poop. There was something about I'm getting eaten by a boa constrictor. Oh no, he's got my toe. Oh gee, he's got my knee. Oh my, he's up to my thigh. Oh nuts, he's up to my butts. Oh fiddle, he's up to my middle. Oh fibs, he's up to my ribs. Oh heck, He's up to my neck. Oh, dread. He's up to my... Oh. If you didn't have the trail, what direction would you say the Bronco is in, the camp?
That way.
That way? Okay.
Yeah.
I definitely know that's the direction of the trail. Now, where's the road? What would be the shortest direction to the road, do you think?
Up there?
I think
Maybe over there?
I think you're right. If we were to go, I think the road is right up there. In fact, you might be able to see in the trees, there might be kind of a gap in there where the road, where they cut a road through the trees. But it's quite a ways up there and it's really brushy. I kind of like walking through the trail that we went on. But if we had to, if we completely lost track of the trail, like just we don't know where we are, like, oh my goodness, I fell and hit my head and I don't know, can't find the trail, we could go straight up the hill and probably cross the road.
Have you guys
You found her. Maybe. Hey, a road. Woohoo! Was that an adventure, guys?
Yep. Now I'm ready to sleep in a nice cozy cot.
I am too, but there's only two of them and they're spoken for. I'm gonna cuddle on the floor with the dog.
Which is this, which is just as nice as a cot.
We'll see. Hope he doesn't snore. Something hanging out of your mouth there, son.
Were my eyes crossed?
I wasn't looking at your eyes.
Crossed? I think this way.
Everything gonna still be there? All the animals come in and eat our stuff. Okay, Grant's there.
Because he was so
Elena's in the other cot, and then who's in my spot? Excuse me. It's like, no, I don't mind.